All right, welcome to another episode of Man Tips. We're going to show you how to replace this side brush motor module for a Roomba. This model is the 650, but this can work for other models as well. First thing you want to do is you want to take your brush off. Screw there, brush just comes right off. You just be able to pull it. Now there's 4 screws, one here. And now that all the 4 screws are out, you can just lift this up, move this out of the way. Your module is this right here. It's secured by 2 screws, one right here that we'll take out, and one right here. So what you got is this module right here. As you grab it, and it's kind of free spinning, right? The new module is tight, doesn't free spin. So what happened was the gear inside of there stripped. You want to drop this new module in. Looks like it fits perfectly. Tighten the screws. Now while you have your Roomba open, it's good to do some maintenance. What I will tell you is this right here, this ball, I get like a flat screwdriver and just kind of wedge it up. I should do a better job of catching it because it's coming up and I'm just losing it. But you pry it up, you take it out, and it gets a lot of hair in there. I cleaned this out recently because I was trying to just clean this motor module right here, but it didn't really work. So I got a lot of dog hair in there, but replace there. You can also pop your ball off. There's a cincher down here. I guess that black and white kind of tells it something, but I'm not exactly sure what. But once you get that clean, and drop that back in. Now you got the new motor module on. Go ahead and cover back. Once you get that back secured, go ahead and stick your brush back on. All right, nice and secure, and then you're done. You'll be able to run the Roomba, and that brush will be moving. We'll show you. And look at that brush going now. Oh, yeah, spin around just to show you. That's Man Tips. Let's go. All right, a little bonus here. I took the top off, and you can see this was one of the gears, and it's really kind of hard to see, but you can see the teeth on that gear went bad. So it's never going to engage, it's never going to spin right with those gears disengaged right there. So just want to kind of show you that. It might not actually been the motor, but I don't think you'd have been able to just turn around and find this gear right here. But if you can, then maybe just replace this gear. But the motor, this whole assembly is only $15, so I just replaced the whole thing.